Rest. Oh, Mr. Man, never can be a yard, you know. Never can be a yard. Rest. Man, yeah.
Ease up and do
I just say that, relax yourself, man. Don't trouble come for you. What I deal with you? I'm going to check two girls up the road. What you say? Up to it?
What you say? Where they there?
Can't believe you saying no more I want. I two girls be passing in the area. Right up there, so. You don't know, say, me, you know. Me come here, if me did that phone with a call, as a matter of fact. That's why I come bang on the door. Yo, me say the girl up there, I don't want to go up there look. You know, saying one man go whisper two girls have a problem. Nothing now go run. So you're forward or you're not forward. Just make me know if I know. So me know if me want to go up there by myself.
What you mean if me are forward? You know if a girl business, me have to involve. So come on, go look for your girl them right now. For a girl you know so I'm ready, like Freddy.
No, you're talking. Let's move it, boy.
Hot girl around there.
You could have asked us some nice skin girl.
Yo, me always hear you talk about girl now. I always want laghead girl, me hear you talk about in a POPEYE.
A laghead girl might better one than a beer bun.
No, brother, I want a laghead girl daddy. Hot girl more. You talk about Brazilian hair, long nails, pedicure.
Really like?
Oh, you mean daddy?
I like a girl with a bushy hair.
Boy.
Call it no.
Sorry for you. Sorry for you.
Thoroughly. Thoroughly. Wow, I kill her.
POPEYE, how are you girl in over there? Where you in there?
What's that for, man?
Nothing on the veranda.
She inside, man. Thoroughly.
Call up him on them then, man.
That's what I'm phone there. That's the man. She come on, man. She must hear me.
Call.
No call woman palm banger. Let's relax, man.
I could have that I call me, you know.
Oh, she coming.
Oh, are you? We can't deal with it right now. You have to come back later. Alright.
But my love is still here.
Alright. I'm kind of busy now, so you have to come back later.
So POPEYE, I can't really come around on my youth. Woman style me.
Relax, my youth. Just relax, man. I just one girl, lad.
All you not really mean style, though. You in style. You know what I do? A girl on me, yeah.
One girl for a bar, what you do? What you go and go do? We choke the chicken.
No, man, I'm Alex, I make love down there.
Relax, man. I'm coming and go to the road, man.
So come on in now. Yo, POPEYE, I know my yard, I'm not going to my youth. That me I tell you.
Listen, man. Listen, man. I'm not sure you come down with, man. Alright, listen, man, youth. I tell you. Let's see how we walk up all day. Every one of them check them busy, them this, them that. That's how it go. And every day I go bingo. If you're humble can't suck your most milk. So we check 20 of them today. 9 catch. That's how it go. We don't get none. Them busy. It's just like a busy normal day.
POPEYE, remember I tell me I some hot girl them daddy. Me I go up with bad man and girl that disrespect me my youth. Me never know say that can't go up with some me get disrespect. Bad man, never know my use. How can I waste mission they can go up and say hot girl them definitely know two girls up the lane.
This is the part where you know. You know, listen to the word when I say. I say them a hot girl. Me never say them cute. You never go up on the end and say you have some hot box them there. That's how it work. Me never say a cute girl. Come on, bro. Me just say yo, a hot girl.
Yo, you know say you do. I'm not get one of girl them. I see some one of girl them come out in your youth. And see you back and tell her. Hook and flower back and tell her, see you know no style no youth. I not go back no with you again. That me I tell you. Now no style, the thing should be done. My youth them waste all my day. You could have chop all the line daddy. The time boy I can go look for girl and say my youth. This next time no come on me yard. I come book me door, come talk about Reds. That matter, don't come back to me next time, daddy. That me I tell, because I'm not depend on them the low movements again.
Listen, me understand what you're trying to tell me now. Me stop if I'm choppy line. I don't care if you want chop line or you want this line. But me I tell you see, you tell me something don't care about one end. You see, tomorrow morning, me want nice fluffy girl down the road for the check. I said, since I just said, you now roll back with me, don't show up me tomorrow. I said, you come down as a friend.
Hold on. What you say? A nice fluffy girl that come down. You know what, Papa? You have to make me get the girl there, you know. Because you know, say, a fluffy girl I like, you know. You don't want you playing with me. It's mission. You know?
Look how life funny. The man just cussed me a while ago. So I tap him from choppy line. Me spoil up him whole year, but as I hear about the fluffy I come down. You want to see her. But no, yeah, no girl. Because I'm not too like fluffy girl. I like they look natural, slim as them. But I'm not too have a problem with them. But you want me to say now. Relax yourself, man. Just go on home, fresh up, and then tomorrow morning you link me.
Alright then. Tomorrow then you go link your fluffy.
Well, I'm not telling you like a must, but yeah, no. Right, you know, you see the girl team business, you know, you have to keep it down on a level, you know, because you see what I go on right, you know. Because you remember the man that's in chop in the closet? Right now, him chopping a one right, you know.
Jesus.
And one out here, same thing happen to him, you know. You know what? Let me make sure I tell you this. This thing will change my mind. Everything cancel. You see, if you want to take it fluffy and chop in the closet, you go on, but me I go on my yard, go chop in the closet.
I mean, I say, I might get good grades, but I'm me alone. I tell the boy, just I hard. I say, no boy, hard, but guess what? I'm seeing I get good grades. Hundreds, A's, and I feel good, brother. You know, sometimes man, I want to get up, but guess what? You have to do it.
For real, man.
Like that, I'll do good.
My daughter, she'll go and go in school still, you know, grades and everything, you know. But it be a bad thing to call upon her name, man, youth.
Yeah?
If you look at 8-year-old girl, my youth, that's not appropriate, then. Be a bad thing to call upon her name, man. Where do you say them thief and money, she thief and money, and them things, them feel like embarrassed. You know them really?
So she?
Well, I hear saying, boy, she told she move, boy, I have to believe, you see me?
Yeah, for sure she, man. Can't make them give her no bad name, you know, man.
You know when your granny say, if you're going to follow shit on you, at that, fear fall, because if she never go certain place, her name can't call up certain way. You know what I mean, brother? But I'm going to fix it, man. My mom tell her.
That's how you go, you know.
Yeah,
Girl
man.
putting them to, you know. Can't do harsh on them, you know. Take time with them. Girl picking, that's how you go.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, I with them.
Hello.
What?
You know, say your daughter can't keep your daughter money where me come from. I want to know how it all going
I
on.
mean my daughter thief your money. I don't believe that. What not ever say?
Of course she can't thief my daughter money. So I want to know the money I go now. Ask her how it go.
Look a girl, my daughter thief money from you.
Yes.
Yo, what be on there? You see same thing when I tell about my youth. A be bad things I call upon her name.
My youth. I just want more and my money I come for. Just give me money. I go on and I go here. Because I don't know long talking. I just want back my money.
Alright, just worry back your money. Come on, I joke.
Collect your money, be.
Well, listen.
Keep your daughter here and keep her out of problem. Come on here, be. We are go home.
Yo, where money there? Where take up? Come on, listen to me now. No, just no bother with it. You hear me say? Just give me the people the money. If you want me, you feel alright. You see me? Because your name been calling up all about the place. Say this a thief and this a... Me no want that to call. Just give me people the money.
But me never,
Give me
I write
people
it so
the
I sit
money.
down all along, me never take up no money. Me dey write it so from money on your phone. Me no know where you talk, but me never steal no money. Me no know where people them a talk about. A lot of them a tell pa me.
Brianna, me no want to beat you.
Daddy.
Listen to me. Me say, me no want to beat you.
Daddy, me never thief no money. Me never thief no money.
Tappy nice, man. Me don't want to hear nothing more fire, you know. Go and go pick one switch. Go and go pick one switch, man.
A little girl could not know nothing, you know. Be a lie, them a tell upon him, you know. So I keep my little pitney in my yard, you know.
You're sorry. You know some just check out mommy and her friend them. You know Sabrina think Sabrina thief money.
So how I want to thief money? So I want to thief money and make money no problem. Give me money, man. Give me money. You need, man. You mustn't do that, man. You mustn't touch people things. No, if you do it. Matter of fact, come go down to the mother. Go on. Right now, Rasta want him money, and if he don't there beat her, you little daughter for him money. Come on, down a yard for the mother. Don't do it again.
Somebody think money, they want blame family come look like people will damn people money. No, I don't believe me.
Jota! Yo, Jota!
Yo!
Where there?
Yo! Power the man!
Boy, I know some me a pass. And here little pitney them attack. And just to find out, say, I said little girl will come here and they talk about him taking money and taking money.
Where say? Where really I talk about? Where I say to me?
Said little girl will come here so with his mother a while ago. Tell your little brother and chick up his mother and take your money. Boy, I can't believe I say little pitney that. And the woman come here and go on with the excitement.
Who here, the little girl, attack? Say her mother, say she chick up her mother and her friend them and get more money.
Said little girl will come here a while ago with his mother.
Yo, stay here, so me so come here.
No, I'm not coming to stay, you know. See money here, you know. So, now I'm tired, you know, but here, you need to go out there and talk to your mother. And hear what go on.
Sorry, man. Sorry all the time you accuse you, you know. You see me? You see it? Them thief the money and then I hear your name I call. That's what I say if you just stay here some man and not come out of the yard, man. And not go a people yard. Because them lie and them wicked and them I make it look like say you.
Daddy, I never go over there today, none tala. Only yesterday I go over there. I never go over there today. I read this some different morning. And I never gonna know where
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me now. That's your problem, you know. You just don't listen. Me don't want you go over there, none at all. None at all. Because if you never go over there all the while, them couldn't call your name.
Alright then, I'll walk over there.
I never tell you something what my old people them used to tell me, say. If you not got follow rules, them own shit by you. You hear me say? Alright. But you don't want nothing to happen to you, yeah?
Hey, you know, so I like your nosing do which way way?
Cool suit, DDs, and Macy's.
So which part they located? Because you know, that nosing the nice.
Well, cool suit and my business.
Oh.
And sometimes when we run out, we can get your Macy's or DDs where they sell ear.
Oh.
I'm never born in a lace.
Hey, hey.
Shani roll me a fella.
Oh, so Shani made this sing at them. Shani made sing song first. Lord God. But I'm going to start shot the kind of... But it have to come out.
And you look damn good, brother. You have the skin, you have the body, you have the body, you have the... You got it all. But you got to make your name, make a mistake.
So your boyfriend is?
Me? Never man, Baba. Man has stress, problem and all these things. Me? Single, free and disengaged. Right now, I want one white man or one English man. I want one real businessman or one lawyer or something.
Well, you man them no matter to me as long as they drive and they have money, me alright. Cause I don't like walk.
That means if you own a car.
No,
And
no
a car
man.
mat.
Don't worry. I shall.
Of
In the
course.
name of God, Miss Wu.
Let it out in the universe, sister. The man all one man march up here right now and just tell us, say, yeah, you have me own a car mat and me I go put your name on it. Right,
See you so. Call it into existence.
But must so. Other things, I don't say we all want to go on the river today, go on a bath and a wash up.
Yo. No, I'm standing fire.
Fire.
Sorry, my manners, man. Hector Smith, known as Jota. Fire, my virgin still. You see me, I pass through the area, and say me that.
Ashley, my name. Ashley.
Yeah, man. What you name?
My name is Care.
Care, for real, man. Tell me, say fire in the board door.
No fire in the day, but we there.
Yeah, we there.
No, we can't take on we, but you know, say, you like your friends, you probably will drive out to that door. And then I take a walk. Let's say about that.
How would you know you like?
I do me like, man. Me like shit too, you know, but...
Ready?
What's the way I want so far?
Okay.
Why are you
Care?
Why?
I see a Care.
Brush off your drink cup.
So, hold on up. Where's the fire in the board door?
Come fire in the day, but we there. Come. We carry. I enjoyed that, girl. Girl, you sick. Get up, me just dream say you're coming up.
You did a 6.
No, what the best I can't tell you. You say, girl. Me and the man go up on the road and I walk up on the road. The man come ask me for front.
I'm just a dream say you're going with yourself in a girl.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Say any man not going.
One with what? He want to do it in a car and that type of how he want to make a yard or something. Them can know.
Tappinese. Watch this mix up on it.
What?
You can duck quack.
It look like they deal with him.
You know, so I come here, I look for you, though. And when I look across the road, I say, I'm here for the road. Where are they, sir?
Oh, then deal with it, sir.
I'm going to come on my business. How no rate me as a friend? No, say something walk along.
Yeah, me know say you normally duck out, but you duck right out.
Right
Quack
out.
man.
Quack.
I'm jealous with me and my man.
We love you.
But now worry yourself. My man loves me.
But your jiggle.
My man loves me.
Alright, quack. Watch out. Hey. Got it. Quack. Quack. Yeah.
He's still a quack and go on the car.
No answer. A dog.
They say girl mix up, but she quacks up.
You know, so do I mix up them so you watch people business too much.
Why about the hair? That's why man can go chat to your own.
Oh no. Oh, yes. You know, so do we are going river though.
I move, man. Which river I go?
Big river, me I go. So you now come with me?
Can't go up on the river now, man. I make a slide up on the end. But me I come back come link you, man. Me tell you say something more, man.
You want me? But you don't want to come a river with
But
me.
you give me something on the river.
One.
Come on, look nice. Come on, look nice. How do you see your name? Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
You look like you have money. You can't get a girl from that.
No money, man, but what you know? Can't do a back way and there.
Back way that one. Have you buy me 2 pounds chicken for the master?
How we talk some? I have money. Come in here, man.
Give me money first.
Come in here now.
2 pounds chicken, rice,
Yo, your shit better than
little
yours, man.
juice.
No, I'm gonna show you some. Watch out, watch out.
Give me
Look,
that.
look here. A foreign money may I give you, quack, quack. Cool, man. Easy, no, man. Just come in here, Wallace. Come in here, 20 euro. That.
Alright.
Come in, how much food I can buy or clothes. Come in
That's
here.
your word.
Come in here, no,
My
man.
leg kind of lock certain way, so we can't take it home. You know what I mean?
Come in here, man. Just come in here.
Take it on the back. Quack with you. Quack with.
Stop dog, you know. You must get me a brother, so.
That wicked your mouth, bad.
Yo, it's a brown in there coming. Forward, yeah. I try thinking and see what I go on, cause yo, she give me some eyes which did it. But me just go on like everything smooth because I don't know I go already, you know. Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, you have to have one woman, bro. Cause what you know? You don't make no sense. You don't run up and down with them bag of girl.
Yeah, but I try things still with a brown in there, cause long time she a crazy. Rough.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she a
Yo.
my brother. Come on, say you're right. Let's check it, bro, and I see what I want. So you're right. Big up yourself, you know.
You see one big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big man. Cougar, Ruga. It is what it is, brother. Bless up yourself. Bless up wife for me now. Alright. See inside. Alright, man has a respect. Yeah, you don't know, so without Rasta, I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of son, me ever talk, man. It's a long time I see you, you know what I mean? Woy, yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, you know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want you to feel like I don't rush thing. A woman like you don't need no jump up and all them something. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean? Because you look, to a Rasta, you don't share the same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean? So, only thing we have to do is just maintain that vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. I'm not rush you, I'm not force you. It's just happen. You know what I mean?
You
Yeah.
look like you have something to say and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. Now listen.
Want to. Need
Get
it.
to the point.
I
Yeah?
need it in my life. Let me tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man and you know how to do the things then. You've been there, done that, and you know, say, at this point, you don't want nobody to play with you. Then, but me want you. You need it. You understand? So, I don't know if we can make it work and we want it to work. So just let me know if, you know, we can get started. I'm going to take care of it. I talk about take care, but I talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, son. Hold on there. You really think somebody would want you?
Me?
For do what?
Last to get a proper massage. You know, when last man they rub on your body. You know what I mean? Caress you and make sure say, yo, you would penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
Don't forget.
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know say me no want you. If me did want you, me would have did long time. You forgot to me, you woman a friend. And you come and look me. Man like you, me not do it. Cause you seem like how you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talk about massage and one if or something. You explain my problem them to you. Don't bother with it.
So you really put it?
Come on, I don't want you. Me your friend. We are friends.
Yeah, but we can excel to the next step.
On. No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure so me don't want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say, I done say what I say, you just now work out. Everything good. Yes, sir.
My body you want to cut
No, man, that man. Everything good, man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah, man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
Keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy, that me not like we do.
On here, yeah. Mama.
Afternoon.
You do everything alright?
Yeah, man.
My God, I just a pass and I see him half a turn back. I don't know what I mean, something that strike me eye, you know? So, something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
What you say? Service! That's a lady come like she hot like a fire. What about mama? Everything alright?
No.
Alright.
No.
Come back water.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
So tell me something a minute more. You know, me talk to you outside no more. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice to get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, mama.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Name Apple.
Apple name?
Yeah.
Oh, apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm here to still, you know, I see how me can't tell me here for you and thing. You know what I mean? Like a strong body and all these things. You know if something can work for you guys. You know, means that in a brother can take care of you.
So what on this? So true you buy me one bottle of water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me?
Yeah, man, you are going. This is start from, you know. You know what I mean? We can't go up and start at some place. We can't just get up and then wait till it.
But me have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
But me have my own man too. What's up with the case so we can work out something?
You know say you're a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, I'm not thirsty.
This
It's a dirty man, you. You just want to jump in on my panties, so one bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman, because I go home to my man.
You alright, you know? Cause you look good, everything alright. Drink my water, yeah. Me thirsty. You not thirsty?
One home to your woman.
Come good. Come over here, try food. You alright? Oh, go on, General.
There, man.
Thing alright?
There.
Yo, you see me, you have to try to be a girl it's like me. Yo, you see a girl like? Yeah, man. Me girl like, brother. The big girl is like me, you know.
Hey, girl is. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. And she gonna link up and we are gonna go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie down so. And me a sort out and thing. Yeah, man, my girl, them this. That lane and my lane, brother. You have to be girls like me. Top man will be in the area, general. See? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Alright. See, sir. What do you mean? Fuck me down. Hold them.
Boy, girl clown can't tap make. You ever have icky pan and make one of your woman them bright needed? You're not so tough.
Are the can you come? Hey, so here we go on. Bop, bop!
Come on, the fuck around on, come on.
My girl, that. I look more, we have a link up. There you go. You know what I mean? Go eat something, you know what I mean? Or, no, take a eat us. We can't work out something.
That can't work out.
Come on.
They can't just come by me one bottle of water and then want look me.
No matter that, man. You are.
Serve. Serve.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Can I get one bottle of water, please? I'm thirsty. Thank you.
Yeah, what happened? Now what happened? Now what happened me? I'm just see a while ago na kiss the nigga, you know. Lie? Which lie? Me just see you kiss the nigga a while ago. Me give you a chance. And I still can't do it again. Yo. Can't believe girls, you really go do that again after me really give you a chance and you tell me say nah do it again. I'm really put my trust in you, still go do it. I don't want to do things and I'm sorry after. So you know what you do for me? Just come off of my phone. Can't believe something is really happened to me again, Jaja. Father God, why me so bad looking so? Why? Why? Why me? Why me can't just find a proper woman in my life though? Cha.
Babes. What? Where can pan people phone from? What do you mean by that? Hold on there. May I take a seat? Hold on.
In my life, why I be a cross is me I pick up. Yo.
I don't understand them something here, you know. What you talk about? I don't know what you talk about. I'm clueless. Alright, don't hear me I come right now. I don't understand them something here what you say to me. Junior! Can I make sure I call me? I'm looking at him. Junior! Junior! I Tony I call my phone for all an idea, yeah. When I call my phone for? Hello? What you want, Tony? I'm not leave with you no way, I'm just answer what you want. I'm in a good mood today. I'm not plan to let my yard today, you know. How? What you really say to me? Alright, I soon come then. Give me 15 minutes. It's not a problem. Outside. Tony!
Come on, Tyson now.
You want to say what Jonah him just call me and tell me about him brother call him and tell him say me a cheat on him.
What you say to me?
Yes sir, so when you call me and tell me say you catch your woman as a co-man too. Me I feel say then I could have really have one idea. I could have really cast them something.
Hold on there. Because the rain come down, I'm lock up the window there. I like it rain fall. Okay, but even good on the phone now. I tell you, say, if I did me, for your shoes, probably say me disrespect you. See me right now, I'm not going to mash up the girl.
Honey, don't know about with that right now. Me understand what you're saying. Tell me what real go on. What you say I'm with you on her?
Kim, that's my 3-year anniversary. My girlfriend said I never carried it. So, I go book a hotel room. I never have no money in my pocket to take no taxi come home. So, on the way walking come home, you know, say do me see girl, I bust out one nigga tongue.
What you say to me?
She never bust out my tongue so yet, you know, never, you know.
Then you don't know what to say. As you are telling me this a story, I see him thing with me today with my man. Junior really call me today and let him say, oh, him brother, tell him say him see me down a hotel with man. Poor me, you know, poor me. I don't know what Junior brother could have seen me with man. And he call me and tell me how sort of foolishness. Okay, what are you? I say me a go down a boy yard. And me a beat down the grill and me a call and he in a house and him not answer me. I call Junior phone, Junior not answer. I text him, he not answer. I holler down my throat, told him not answer. I don't know what to do next. You think I look struggle, me and Junior struggle over the years? You think I look fight, me and him fight? I don't go hungry, we'll be here together, you know? You want me to tell me this?
Hush, man.
Really
Stop it crying, man. You're not crying, man. Things are better, man. Stop it crying, man. Everything got alright with them, man. Stop it crying.
I should have not do this to me.
I just so life set, man. Stop crying for me now, please, now. Please, now, stop crying now. Stop crying, man. Wipe out your face, yeah. Stop crying, push.
Make sure you keep out between me and your secret, you know. Come in on nobody know.
That good man can't keep the secret. But my wish you never have to go so right.
Yeah, I'm going to go cook some food here. We'll call you later. Alright. Hello? Junior? What? Prank. What do you mean a prank you did a prank me? My mama clock.
You must bet something, you know.
You must say you can't play drugs now.
I like how you know so me can't play. I'll bet your girl now.
So what you have to do? Can't bet for your girl too, you know.
So you give me first move, see table line out there, you know. And you flip a kind.
Go flip a kind then, man. Man, sure. You take first player, man.
Alright. Chip, you now regret that.
See, your girl, we have big plans to do.
Yeah, I lose, man. Looks like a little girl pretty, you know, daddy.
Man, play a game if you play a game, you know, man.
See, you're confused. You're not this is how you play. You play, man. I'm not a thief, man. You give that man a fever. Look like you don't like your girl, little bit. Alright, you don't play again. Swear.
Game too early, man.
Yeah, you talk about me don't know if you play a game, and you don't know if you play a game. Watch out.
what go on, sir?
What go on? Come here. You ain't more Papa Fino. Fino, you know. A long time I want to chop off this man, you see me? See how it's a break me again, you see?
Big match this thing up. Think kind of play a thing.
Betting there, no, general. I'm not change the betting. A girl where I play for.
Like somebody are gonna lose them girl today. But it's not me.
You are going now. I don't fit no crime, you know, because me that win look wild. So I take the first play.
Watch out now. You dead first.
Brain I use my one.
Brain I use. And that dead one that.
So when you're in a deep position, you take a deeper chance.
I use that brain.
See I trap that. So I left you another hole if you a while. See I trap that.
It's a big oof you get. Big oof you get.
So you don't know the game. Watch your whole of your belly report now. Better player. I rap with the whole of your neck belly tear out the whole brother. In the network. You can't believe that me do.
Me never see.
So powerful me being in them things, brother. Whole of 6 or 5 take the whole. When him go so, bam. Him go so bam. Ramping me, you crown alone left in a bad man. With about 2 little soldier, you know.
Me not see.
Better push up yo, better take your girl, brother. Play like you want me to say, oof, your taste, brother. Oh, sorry.
Never say you get too first.
No, I'm gonna ride them game, brother. That's why I'm gonna play, brother. Because you know, see, you're gonna lose your flesh.
What one, Popeye?
You know, some day I go and take a walk on the road here.
So which part on the road did they go?
Right now, sister, I lot upon my mind, you know, so...
So what kind of things upon your mind? So what kind of things upon your mind?
You know, say one bag of things from picnic days.
Papa, what really happened to you? You look like you really have something on your mind. You ever tell me, you know, me, you grew up and you ever tell me what's upon your mind?
You know, say nothing too tough still, but I'm from youth days. From me, I go to school, me always have them dream business and, you know, I have this wet dream business, but never know, say, in a morning, them things they happen. Never really have no family that talk to me about this. And when me there at school, me always afraid because I think it happen when me there at school. Even when me there road, I walk up and me see me. And I look for no reason.
That you never want to tell me? Papa, that is how it goes. Even big man or men still have them something there. So you don't have to worry about that. You soon grow out.
No man, I grew up that long time, man. It's just something will come back up in the head. You know, when time something come up in the head, you just mention it back. You just feel like express yourself.
Yeah man, I said them something there go man. Anyway, I go about my business. You hear, so later we talk.
Alright, youngness. Take time. Alright.
You know, so I'm concerned about your brother, Popeye. I'm really concerned about Popeye.
I can't concern about Popeye. Instead, my Popeye a madman. Anyways, what you say doing?
You know, so not for go on, so. You don't for go on, so. You know, see, I go to you, make him a behave, so. Because look, while I go, I see him, and I come down, and I say to me, say, yo, I think about all type of things and him a think about puberty and when he did young, anything so him a go to school, him a go have puberty but he never know say a morning time it happen. You have to go talk to him, you know, man, because he wants somebody to talk to
What
him.
kind of puberty think business you come to me about? What kind of foolishness you come to me about? What about puberty? What kind of argument that you come to me about? I heard me for running out of the bus, you know. Why for that, man? What kind of puberty argument you come to man about?
Sir, calm down. It's not puberty, it's puberty. Say puberty, not puberty. Puberty?
You think of school me there?
You know what? Me now waste my bread pan this. Uno up there, uno family member up there make Popeye stay so. Me come out to your bus and left you. Bye.
It's a girl come slam man door come talk about puberty. It's the one Popeye. The man there waste man.
You have a condom?
Yeah, man. Let me buy it. Alright, here we go. Me go shop right now, quick, and hope it don't lock, and me come back. Come in and know what the man give me the Advil and I...
Alright. Go on fast and come back. Hurry up.
I'm coming. Babes.
Yeah.
It's sexy for me. You soon coming up?
Yeah.
Don't move, yeah? Why my herbs are bad, you know? Tell her. Herbs wicked, man.
Yeah, man, but boy, you want to try this one, yeah? Lick me chip right now, try you, may I see.
Man, you really come so? I don't care no condom. Big old Advil. I might have just call Wanix, man, too.
Serve! Oh man, can't believe, man. Can't believe. What is that? Is that a sign? What's that? Serve! Yeah, man, see window up now. Yo, brother, may I beg you one favor there? Nothing can go on for me in the shop there tonight, please.
Boy, I know so nothing can go on for your shop lock off. Tomorrow business that now, my general, man, will lock off.
What, man? My salsa, man.
What's that skirt, yeah? See an animal.
Yo, brother, your manners and respect, my boss. Oh, greetings, mommy. Greetings.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, man, my son are going with the vibes, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, good vibes.
Yeah. Yo, me know one situation, brother. But I don't know how to ask and thing, you know what I mean? This is a big embarrassment because I don't really want to feel that way, you know what I mean? But, yo, come here, sir. Come here, please. Just, you no condom for you?
No, so I'm not really on camera.
Bahumba, Channel Star. You know, so I come from that shop, but, yo, is everything good? Yeah? Manners and respect, yes, sir? Take it time. What knife in there? Some knife in there too. Oh, that man.
Don't answer.
Yo, bro.
Who that? Don't answer.
Yo, man, I fall. Hold that.
Yo, bro, come in, man. Yo. Come. Yo, bro. Bro. Dog. Brother, I look like you're under the pressure, but I'm not busy with that. You have a condom, can lend me, please. Please. Bro,
I'm in the middle of something.
No, I'm going to the middle of something too.
Man,
Check. You have
just used the last one, man.
Oh, man.
Man, I gotta go back. I gotta go finish this. I gotta go finish.
One day if me just raw dog.
Yo, B. Which part there now? Yeah, man. I'm 5 minutes away from you, you know. I can link you right now, yeah? Yeah, man, just put on something sexy, man. Something short, too.
Yo, man.
Yo.
Yes, my boss.
What you saying now, General?
You know, sir, it's a situation I find myself in right now, late night. Yeah, man, because you're going, yo, me buy a condom today, but guess I know, we go to the shop, and things you condom then give me, Advil then give me. I mean, understand what I'm going, but tomorrow I start that out, but right now, brother, you're going. You don't know if you have a spare one, you can bust me, come on, mash our works right now.
Tell him, man, look at. Yo, I see your situation I'm in right now.
Chop blouse and skirt. Yo, a raw dog business. Yo, brother, bless up yourself. Yes, sir.
Guidance, man.
Alright, cool.
Guidance.
Boy, you're going to yourself, you know, in a way. But when you come here, I behave like you're a big fan of jerk.
Something good now, good on, man.
I just sure I couldn't wait for you to come.
Well, I'm glad I couldn't wait. I'm really glad I couldn't wait. I think we need to do this more often, you know.
Make it. I don't want it. Baby. Yeah, man, here we are going now. I hope you don't like that one, you know what I mean? Because we got all out phone, you know? We don't want to go enjoy it, you know what I mean? Come and enjoy myself while everybody else enjoy themselves, you know, just to be a part of the whole thing. So guess what now? Like, share, and subscribe, you know what I mean? This is the public report, public with a K, you know what I mean? And also guess what? If you're there public report, go over AV. And if you're there AV, come check me over public report. Like, share, subscribe. And guess what? Thank you so far. Can we reach 2,000 subs, you know? Hey, you know what I mean? So big up on yourself. Keep doing what you're doing, because I like it. Alright? Bless up. This is a public report. Out there!
Action.
Don't answer.
Bro!
Man!
What's on front? Raw dog? Father, I'm about to do this raw dog.
Ready? Ready. If it's start again.
You're not ready for me?
Ready.
Oh.
You know, so me have something for you, Axel.
What that?
I know you call up my name in the community with Kevin. But me and Kevin in a things.
No, sir, girl, you know, so me not do that. Why would I do that? Me have enough problems up on my yard with my man. Me not have time for you to walk and talk your business. I don't me do that, man.
Remember, say I alone know my business, you know, brother. And I like see me I sit down and chat with nobody else. And that's why. I'm here, everybody I chat about Kevin every time I pass. So me I wonder why I pray for did say nothing to nobody and a member or one somebody opinion.
No, sir, you know, so me not do that.
I just want to know, you know, girl. And you know, I just like that. So anyway, I go 2 days in a place, you know. People are calling my name all about and I love it.
How are you a plan to go?
You mean, you know, say nothing there as a girl. Me can't say yes, so. The man them up here so just corrupt and stay one way. And if you ask them something, or ask them for a favor, even for help and your dead brother, you don't know to youth. Them a come go on like say a front they want to be a woman eater up here, so. Can't stay yes, so brother. But they want me mad out.
Actually, you know, girl, because even if me man up on me yard, he come like say if me not give him nothing, it's a problem. Every minute he just done in my skin, he want. He come like say he can't satisfy. All in a night, me I wonder if I'm motor what this a man here. Every minute he want. 5 minutes after we done, he want again. And if me not give him, a problem.
Me don't know how you deal with him. Me know say your man and everything, me not tell her nothing for pray your man or nothing, you know. But me not trust him. He come like say every woman he see want, brother. Me don't know if you see still, you know. Me not tell her nothing for go advertise or for go beat up on your man up there. But take a note of your man. Every girl him see want. And me see that about him.
Boy, that's a film business. I can't go up before you start call off my name. You're some good willing. So you have to take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. And one more Sarah again.
Yo, babes, ready again, you know. Babes. 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 How are you today? So you ready for round 2?
Again, warm to yourself. Let's just give yourself out. I want to feel your body, so I'm tired, man. I'm tired.
What do you mean say you're tired? I'm Michelin a ball, so I'm tired, you know. I'm not tired. Just babes. I could do it again, man. I don't know, man. When you good, you good, man.
No, I'm tired, man. You know, say a parent should not pay me, because every minute me I walk out my body. I'm not even have no little money.
I think so in a relationship. Everything in the house, me take care, right, you know. I don't like say, if you want clothes, me not buy. If you hear want do, me not do it. So you mean so me should not give you money? So hold on, what you try to tell me, say? I buy sex from you?
I don't sell me, I sell. But then I get nothing in a life for free. Every minute you just under my skin. Me can't even count how much time last night you wake me up.
Everything there, I take care of. If you want food, you get food. If you want clothes, you get clothes. If you hear want do, me do you hear. So why problem? No, there shouldn't be no issue. You know, see you kill my vibes. You kill my vibe, not to feel like I want nothing again. You know, see a woman like you with them type of behavior, make man go road. You know, forget it.
You see me no man in a work, you now go walk. Let me speak.
Yo, what different they do? I'm brown girl, see? But the phone is just nice so. One brown girl named Kira, see? She live around here, so you know about her? Because I guess I know, based on the facts of me are hearing, you know, I think I run that area she live in, you know what I mean? But more I know if you know about her. Yo, if you think turn up with her.
Yeah, man, I down the road. She have a man still, you know. But me know how your thing come down. You know business about that. But, you know, what me want to ask you now, what make you interested in that, the freaky girl, eh? Why?
What you mean? Freaky? Here I go on still. You see, my thing said different still, you know. Because if she want to do the thing to me, fear her choice that. You know what I mean? I don't do that to her because you know my thing set already. I love it. You know what I mean? Have some fun. And if she want to have fun, me have fun with limits. But guess what I go on? We say, don't so she live. Yo, I have a picture. I'll show you right now. See? You You think a joke, I mean, you identify and make sure say she you talk about.
And she see one man. And right down there so she live, man. And she see one this time, general. Right down there so she live, man. I know you get her, no? You see one, I will get her, man. The skill like that, man. So anyway, I have a run still, you know, so we link up. I remember, she freaky.
I'll go buy Popeyes.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, man, me just run come in and town come grab something fast to eat.
Oh.
A long time I see you need you good though.
Yeah, man, we're good.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You look good.
Thanks.
Hey, good.
Yeah, man, we're good. You know, see, my boyfriend me away on him gone on machine, so I'm just gonna grab something to eat same time, you know?
Wow, the right thing, girl.
Yeah.
Step up.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm bigger to buy two. Some Popeyes in it, but I can tell you, sir. Might find a girl, mine. In the meantime, one or two. A piece of longy man chop on pants here. Rough. I want to be old girl, that man. Yes, she's your man. Apple. Check her so man. Apple. Yo.
Wow, public.
Apple, what going? See if I run this, I said to myself, say, if I really you, I can't believe saying you, because, yo, it's a good feeling to see you. Long time no see you still, you know what I mean? But still, let me want to know, say, you know, we can link up back, because, yo.
Why, you're not changing, huh? You stay same. If you ask me how I do or nothing, you just want to link up back. Any woman get them, I'm sorry for them, you know?
Stop going somewhere. You're going again like when, you know, I get like a trouble, you know what I mean? Because me always do a thing, you know. You don't know anything, but...
So what go on? What know what you do down here?
You me see, you know, I'm really, yo, I miss you, I'm not lie. You know what I mean? I go straight to it. I'm not go around the bush and make you feel like some more, you know, Cinderella story and all these things. But you know what, right now. See me in town, yeah? You know what,
Madam man, listen. Right now, I have to go home to my boyfriend. And if you understand, so this is not going to work out. You're still not change. You're still a drunk girl. You see?
Can't believe, hey, let me even get a number. I want a number. I can call you.
Public, later, me come go my yard, yeah.
I can't go in the machine here, because or something I can't even work over there now. It's alright. Rough.
People don't give up nothing in this, sir.
One girl that looks sexy tonight. One of them can't do it tonight. One of them can't get home tonight.
Watch ya. Man, you leave me alone, my boyfriend and police.
What am I mean if a man a police? You don't have to tell him. Me not have to know.
You don't hear me say man a police. As a matter of fact, in the town right now.
Just because you look so good, you behave so. Like how you behave. Sure you look so good and sexy and round. Yeah, behave so. And like when my man tell you say you look good. You think good still.
You still look very familiar. Look like somebody who needs to be a part of my life, you know what I mean? Wow, but tell me something. Are you from around here?
Then oh, you're more sweet, so sir. You caught my attention still. Yes, I'm from around here.
That's so nice, you know what I mean? Because right now, I tell you, it's a blessing right now just to see you, and I really want to get to know you the right way, you know what I mean? Because a girl looking like you, my size, you know what I mean? Like I eat some strong food, you know what I mean? Yeah, heavy. Hey, but seriously though, you strike me as my type of girl, and a girl like you, you know, I would really want it to be a part of my life. My name is Kemal. What's your name, baby girl?
Yeah, nice to meet you too. My name is Ashley. And that doesn't sound bad, because I'm single already for mingle. I mean, like, I don't have nobody. That doesn't sound bad. Can't worry. Can't see where we can go.
Yeah, man, that me I talk about this. Right, that's what they say thing for you. Because you're my type of girl, and guess what, I'm single too, you know. Nothing I go on a certain level, because I wait for you. You missing out on my thing. So guess what I go on now? My number, you have to get it. Your number, I have to get it. Because we have to do one thing. Alright?
Well, alright.
Watcha?
You don't have to go on so.
You are going now. I don't live too far from here, so, you know what I mean? And when I really want to, you know, introduce you to my place, cause a girl like you, a queen like you, I need to, you know, come know my place and you know all these things. You know, so I don't know if we can link up like us. And later on, and we just, you know, get certain things sorted out, you know what I mean? So tell me what you think.
You know, so I don't live too far from the place either. I live right down there, so. But you sound like a really nice guy. Like them kind of guy the way not to treat ladies bad and stuff. So like how you don't live far and me don't live far from the town. We can just go grab a drink or something because I'm not really ready.
Hey, as a matter of fact, I know a nice place, you know, I know a spot where I fit me and you know what I mean? Set them nice, like a mood, you know? Alright, and if you want to get rude, it's up to you to away.
Rude? Well, we don't know why that might turn out to be.
Let's go! Ready? You know what I mean? Come on. So let's see how going on now. Ready, you know?
Ready, you know, BS, but I don't have no money, you know. I can't owe you till next week. You don't trust?
What? You know the money? Broke girl broke my vibes, you know. You know what I mean? Yo, enough things, enough expenses go on upon this side, you know. It's the body I have to go to the gym every weekend and go work out and keep up. You know what I mean? I have to drink up my roots and my tonic. I think the engine easy for run. Yeah, come talk about the money if I not trust till next week. But you are going away. You better check yourself, you know, sir.
This me have to put about this in the taxi here. This can't work.
What? 5 bills, 5 minutes? Something wrong with you, you know. Take it on my face. Something wrong with you. Something not going on with you. You really come here, sir, and you know so you want your sort out. Saying, and you really come with 5 bills.
Come no man, 5 minutes or $500. Alright, let me feed him,
Step away, man. Back up, man. We are going away. You can't go a business, you know.
5 minutes, $500.
$500, no, that can't work out. 5 bills? You really left here with
Alright,
5
then
bills?
make me feel it for $500.
You think I bend down this? You think I feel it? If you don't have your money, you can't speak. Don't tell the broke girl broke my vibes. You know what I mean? So guess what you have to do? You don't have no money, you don't have no talk. So better you step away, son. Come on, depend where you depend. A joke business, you depend. You really left it. Look at night, full moon. If the moon not even full, look up in the sky. And you left your yard with no money. And you want? No, sir. Check yourself, man. Check yourself. I bet some face have some scam you about. You have money for you. I bet you have money.
Stop going, son, man. All the while I'm coming without money and in 1 little time I have no money. You know what give me? Stop going, son, man.
JPS now say wait, you know. When you go down a utility place to go pay your bill, them tell you say, alright, you can't owe till next week, eh? That work, yes, mama. So you go and take your 5 bills and take your time go here. Me not depend where you depend. A business me a deal with, so you can't go and cool out.
Stop going, son, man. A far me come from here, gonna make me come so far for nothing at all. Just give me something, man. Just one little bit, please. We will want this out there.
So when you ride me for free,
Me I'll give you
who
some
will
money
get the
when you
benefit?
come back. Just take your 5 and I'll give you some money when you come back.
Me can't hold my sachin?
Hey boy, don't make me hold it and I'll take it, you know.
Yeah, wait, easy. You can't hold my sachin? You can't hold my sachin? When you go in a sachin shop and him say, "Wong hing hong." What him say to you? Hey, I go. No sense say. So you hold it and cool out. I don't understand the 5 bills thing and I go one like you want to feed. For free. Hey, step away from the vehicle. No money, no love. As I say, broke girl broke my vibe. You know how expensive it is to keep this? Do me here and all these things? You go to gym and all these things. Take us 5 bills.
Business. Well, go on, baby, I have 10 grand, you know.
10 grand? Alright,
You can go on.
You hold your 5 bills. Come in and start this. There's something wrong with you, bro.
Hold on there. Oh, you come so quick for my 10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come too quick for my 10 grand, and I feel like I want half of my money back. That was too quick.
Let me tell you, business is business, you know.
Me not get my money's worth.
You don't get your money's worth? Well, you have to just work with that, you know. Because I saw your system work, you know.
First thing first, you know, I have to get back my money, you know. Because number one, you're sitting too little. You come too quick. And you not do it right. Me not ask you just depend. You stop like you're an idiot for a long time and not get no.
Wait, what you say a while ago? Eh? You ever see one truck jump in an ocean? Eh? You ever see truck jump in an ocean? Eh? I'm gonna tell you something. Business is business, you know. If you come on the road and me I help you out, if sort you out, and me I fear go through all manner of evil, because I don't understand. You think money is all? You know what I mean? You give me 10 grand, you try to give me 100 grand. Your 10 grand done, your money done. You know what I mean? You should have come.
My money done. I say you cock little, you can tell me about truck and swim in the ocean. And you hood small, you hood little. You little talawa. But my something big. If I never one thing, I just tell you something bad in the night. But you see, through a 10 grand, I just make it go on, because your cock small and I walk and tell everybody. Remember me know you, know? Me I go tell all like
Thanks, your dream. What kind of life that? No, sir. Come like a murder. If I call my virgin right now, I see what kind of number that in the cash bag. Crosses. Yeah! Yeah! No, sir. No, sir. Hello? Hey, what go on, brother? Everything good? Brother, if I tell you what kind of dream. I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream,
In a cash pot.
One take care. You know bad girl in you that's at 21 in you.
But man prostitute. Yeah. Yo, I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to say a dream, a dream.
As a matter of fact, two of them, you know, one come first and in there and no money. You see me? And then one next one come with a 10 grand. And we move with him and then afterwards, she has said, you know, worth the 10 grand. And we wake up Fridays and chefs up here and say, well, I must want cash pot rig this.
Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up. Humble rice. What if I want to real something?
So man, everything you make bad eye. You couldn't go on out, man. One little time you see him with me make me a problem. Yo, brother, walk on. Yeah, man. Yeah, brother. Yeah, be a problem, my youth. Yeah? The woman down there be a cousin and go on the most way. And she, you know, say me nice with her. We just come out there so say me can take some cool piece. You want your she go on my youth? Eh? And that I go on. So I could have make she miss up herself, so. Eh? She mad? No, you know, brother. True Cecilia come back for me, she a go on the most. You don't know, say me a done, brother. We just ease himself sometime, when we come in, we just relax. Right. I differently do. We just see man like you, so you do on the road. Yo, you know what say, I look a thing going on, I win a piece of money, youth. And if you tell her, brother, yo, I want you look a thing, because I really, youth. And when I'm down, you did the same, yo, so just help yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Mothers I respect you, I tell you. What else can do for me? So, but differently, how I go on? As me I say, brother, I win a piece of money in a youth. You understand? Licky cash pack, man. Wicked. Mr. China for your ball. But watch you know. Tell a story. You know, Kemar. Look at you boy around there, so. Man, call me out and tell me a story about Jim. Say, woman, I hold him down. All of them thing there. Yo, them boy, they are idiot, man. Yeah. Boy, girl, I hold him down. I be man right there, them boy, the girl. So make him go on. And let him tell. I follow him. Alright. So I just go so bad, man. Rakes up. I give me rakes too, you know. But I don't know what going on for him. But rakes up the same way. I say, alright. Fool people lucky, you know. So I just go buy nobody, man. See it, you can't have money if it's spent. Wait, that. How are you, youth? What? Well, guess what, no? Glad I catch a rake. Just that. I'm glad. Yeah. But watch you pray now. You know, I'm not too tired because I have some things to match up. You understand? So, I just a piece of food when they come here. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, man. I make a move same way, man. Because I have a little thing to deal with. I make it with the food. I deal with it. See me, I say? So, I make it move. Alright.
Search for this idiot boy again. I can't bother anyone. I call the boy and I get him. You know, so I call dollars. Call dollars.
Brittany.
Dollars. Might have come look for him.
Yeah? So your man there?
Could eat that boy going about his business. Yeah, might have come up here and come look for me.
Alright, say no more. I'm going to the store and get a boots and flour.
Alright.
Chop. Are you with this man? Yeah, man. Get it, man.
I'm there, no man, you know, sir. He's a boss. I look there, I walk up and down like this. I don't know where they keep it. Now check it.
Keep your money. Keep your money.
Yeah.
Keep your money.
It was on the brand new pack, man.
Brand new pack. You never let me sit here.
Alright, say no more, yeah?
Alright.
not?
You want?
Go on.
There.
Chaplada, take care of you, man. Eh?
Why not go on good?
Nah, go on good. When there?
No, no, ain't gone.
So, fast. Fast.
I say one fire, I mean man and moving and thing, living.
I mean, fire just left. I mean to see a long time man, the girl the man. I was saying I go down the door. Now go down there.
But take back your man and let me get back me man.
You see all them screen and them Bible stuff. No work. You have to come and work, do your hours them, and go work at your yard.
So about the soup then, what you tell me about the soup? Anytime the soup then come around, the people them run up and down, I wonder why.
Soup? The man they can't, when they say man they ask if you jump, just ask how high. You may tell you? Because the man they, them get the orders. As a matter of fact, we just get the order from the soup. Because the man they get the orders from Andrew. Anybody this Andrew, we lock them up. You could have hear Andrew. You're supposed to reach to feel them. You see me? You don't worry about thief and criminal and this. A waste of time that. We get more money if we go for people with this Andrew. Anybody hear this Andrew will carry me in. If you don't have to carry me in, you plan something on it. You see me I say? Anybody, you just want to know say one thing is Andrew.
And you know some here say anyhow you win again. Everybody in the house I get one clocks. I see all iPhone 13, 14, something like that.
On my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Then are you sex then in their sex? I'm going to kill you.
Alright, like we're not getting no call now, just go on now, man, business. So if we can't wait, get to sleep.
Alright, Hello, this is Red Ground Police Station. Hello, officer. Hello. How may I help you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, say Angela come and I'm going to take my money. And please, me after my phone, I can't come and give me back my money.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, I will need some information from you. I will need your address and your name, please.
What does that have to do with my money with anything?
Ma'am, I need to know your address so I can come. So tell me your address and your name.
Okay. Negril.
Alright, so Negril Bottom Row. What's your name? I didn't hear you.
Let me talk to her. Hello, Susie?
Hello.
Detective Red Boot here. We don't have any gas in our vehicle.
If I did Angela, that find gas.
You know, we have special treatment for Andrew. Where he's a king. He's a king.
What is the
He's a bro god.
So what about me?
We don't value you.
You have blood run through your body like when you have blood run through your body.
He's a special kind.
You know what?
He's a special kind. He's a bro god.
Yeah, Andrew goes up my big.
Just tell her to come and
Come on, this is code red. We know of your friend, yeah.
Shadi, look at man never work with us something there now. Cause I don't know how it tight so. In Shadi, how are you putting that? A crazy girl putting that? A girl like you. In Shadi, how are you putting that? You good though?
Yeah man, me just like how you take care of my body.
Ex-man.
Yeah, that the mad girl, yeah. My girl, the man don't want you.
Yo, me take a restraint order up on a girl already, you know. Come out of me house.
Hey, come out of that.
Yo, how would that? Girl, come out. Wait a minute.
Hey.
No, this is serious. Yo, Shadi, give me phone there. Give me phone there.
You better call the police. Make you handle this, I swear.
Yo, girl, go put on that something there. Mister, go put it down. Mama, me left, mama, go put it down.
Hello? Red Boots Police Station.
Officer, you know. Ex-girlfriend that me had right now. And he have a gun and he have a knife. She be me moving a new girl in my house and now she want to kill me because of that.
Verify address for me, no?
Yeah, on the hillside me live, yeah. Third house. Yeah, she kick off the door there after up and come now. What you say? No, on the White House, man. Yo, you know no girl, me take Christian out all about fire attack till man. Me just take Christian out that man over there. What mean say you don't know? Yes, I be said one man. More time come and hear the man when she beat me up. What?
So you know how much shot is in the gun?
Let me say, what kind of gun? I don't know what kind of gun. I'm going to ask you what kind of gun. I'm going to have bullets in that gun. Let me say, what kind of bullet? Hey, yo, don't jab, you know. When I laugh on station for.
Okay, but I'm sorry we don't have any vehicle now, you know. We don't have any vehicle, no vehicles here. Vehicle.
Oh, you know what? You know no vehicle. Oh, no, never no vehicle in emergency yet. Yo.
Alright.
Yeah, everything good. Everything good. Everything good. Charlie, come on, turn up. If she kick off the door, turn up there. If she fire one shot, go down low. You hear me say? If she kick the door, you still turn up and go down low if you fire the shot. I have an idea. Do a video. Can you do the video them Andrew then find a quick? Yo, Andrew, me nah go nowhere. You could have coffee time. Early time or whatever. Mama. What am I right now? Dirty boy. Idiot. This a better. You can still out there, not still out there. Aren't there? Yo!
My girl, go on here, yeah. The man don't want you. What do you want? Go on here, yeah.
Yo, look what going on social media. Somebody this broker again. Yo, I'm sharing.
Yes, Red Bull Police Station. Say what? Call Andrew. I'm coming. Call Andrew name. Can call my boss name. Yeah? Who's the Andrew? What's the Andrew? Sorry. What's the Andrew? Who's the Andrew? Yo, put it on.
Yo, officer.
Yeah. under arrest for the illegal use of the word Anju and for dissing bro God.
So yo, you me answer now?
Yeah.
Daddy, yo, me calling a while ago now. And me calling and telling say my girlfriend ex-woman out at the door now. Yo, police, and me just calling a while ago now. Only say no drive and not down there now. The forward now. And me tell say my ex-girlfriend out the door with gun and pick off the door now. So if I wash it there, best not pass her with the gun and everything. That kill her when she kill me then. Yes man, and me just calling a while ago general. You understand me? I say, so if me never say Anju name, uno come and make she get wet. You know what I mean? This have go up on CVM and JBC
Sir?
and TVJ.
I'm unable to tell you that from the said word Anju. It's my duty to find you anywhere he is, anywhere you are, and lock you up. I don't care about no gunman, no gunwoman, or nothing else. Just the word Anju. Don't you dare use that word again.
Alright, tell Anju sorry boss. Tell Mr. Anju your boss say I apologize for using name, but I only way to save my life because when now come, if you hear say gunman there, but as me say Anju, before me could say all next, you kick off the door next. Everything good.
Talk to your mother about, talk to your mother for you. You know, for yourself, then I'll make you beat you. You know, I have to talk to him with you, man. Then it's dirty. Alright, so good. Alright, normal. See your bicyclist? You ready? I file already? Put the scooter for us. Alright. I'm ready now.
I talk to your mother too, so you get no anything.
Oh, nobody.
May I talk to you? I say may I talk to him so you get no anything. I'm not making it.
Alright, no talking, Jinta. Ready now? Action.
What me expect you to do, you know? I continue to walk. And when you continue to walk, can this you want to walk more? No, you can't. Exactly.
When you see me angry, you can this?
Yeah. You know, like you're ready to kill him with the candy. You know me I say candy? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Talk to body dog. Body dog, talk to body dog. Body dog. Some young boy come, one to the device. What's your acting? A curious people, I respond to them. Come now. Yeah, not that. A curious response to them.
Let me check in now.
Why
Watch you and grandma just a chat so. Ready?
Alright, get the calm
Be
down.
sure. Be 100% sure.
Ready now? Ready.
Nah, Candy, listen now. Miss Candy, wait now.
Oh, big boy, come.
Miss Candy, wait now.
No,
Me I beg you not to leave.
Why? Why me not feel the big boy?
When
You
I
know a
lick-
big boy though?
Why me do? Miss Candy,
Come
wait
on,
now.
now.
Nobody lick him.
Me see how long it can run.
When you lick them too much,
No, that's the thing. That's fine. Let's take out the mic itself. Pull out the mic and I'll rub it.
I can't go in. We saw now.
Pop me here, Candy. Alright, Candy. What you doing for talking for sister? Let's do some chatting. Why do some chatting? Until when you do, very honest, just do some talking.
I chat too much. Yeah. Grandma! Why not shut up? Jesus Christ! How we send Central? How we Central and then eh? We Central.
Ah, we should talk about it then, Albert. Hold on. We should talk about it 1 minute then. Can we think by now they're not dead? I wanna say, hello. And a Nablet is. Nablet toy. Ah, you're talking everything. You think by now you're gonna walk in and say, hello. I really don't care.
What do you mean me not feel it?
Candy not lick him now.
Why me not feel
Me
big?
I beg for you.
You a beg for big boy? You know a big boy do? Me send big boy for me money and big boy take it keep big old party in the same money in friend them. All your son involved in it. Big boy spend me money and buy much liquor and you go tell me yo come here.
Candy, wait now. I'm gonna lick him.
You come here for the pound one laughing thing and me serious and me money big boy use the money to go pay a woman.
Candy, when I lick with the too much, I lick out them things. That's why I not have no sense.
So you used to get liquor in a small?
Wally pally.
Two not too bad. Come on.
Candy, wait now. Nobody lick him, man.
I work hard for me no lick me. Wanna pick me when he do sit me around.
Candy, I lick out his sense.
I'm a fact a thief in thief and you're not supposed to thief.
Me not thief.
Me not teach you to thief. You're not supposed to take things when I give to you. Me not understand that. No, you, woman. Me know you long time and me don't want to hear you. Don't hold on for my son and they tell me say me not to lick him. What you mean? Is your son?
No, Candy.
Alright, hold on. Come on, good man, you're young girl.
And when he wants to do it, he goes out. Like I sit and do him.
Alright,
No, sir.
Candy.
Don't want too much big thing.
Candy, Alton, we have to man.
Look over there. So. What you say?
Alright, sometimes we'll be a man and
Right.
get too distracted. Alright. Please, don't distract your one people. This woman, you have to fans, you have to know about it. So you are going now. Candy a cuss. You want to you have to find one way to calm him down. Tell him one story, you don't know. Candy. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I know you say that, but that alone doesn't sound convincing. Tell him, sit man, Candy, me understand, so you're angry. And you can't find the money.
You have to try to calm
But, me I put myself in your shoes. You know what I'm saying? Start you, man, I put myself in your shoes. Me know, say I pick me and him rude. And he probably shouldn't keep no party because you never tell him to keep party or whatever. You understand? But, me know say there must be a way where you can solve it without have to lick him. Because if you lick him, he now come back him money. So, no beat him, man. No beat him. Because she chucky there. Me no beat Chucky, you know. You understand? That's why he's so smart. You understand? So talk to him, man. Go on with your mother. I can't no lick him, man. Me know a long time me know you. And a long time you know me. Go talk to him, man. Alright, go and go talk to your mother. And boy, behave yourself, man. Don't make you do this there again. Me I come go back up here now because I chuck you up a yard. You know, talk to him, man. But if you only say, no, lick him, man. I'll kick you out of my way. You not convince me. Just convince him, man.
Yeah, man, can work out. So
Alright,
yeah,
so come now,
great
you're
things.
turning off the cameras. Alton, you try mine.
How we are singing?
Without,
A BTS this.
Different try sound. What does it need to do? Because making the sound different when you use it without the mic. Lapel, make it sound.
They know why you go in the house, here? They know why you go in the house.
Lapel.
Right.
Alright, you see lapel, where lapel do, it make it sound muffled. Easy. You understand?
Hold it up.
Yo, Alton has suffer mentally right now, is that shame?
Yeah, what's up? Same thing. Same thing. That's one to me. That's one to me. Do not joke, man. Big boy, that's not. Really big boy, alright. Come here, come here.
Man, like he doesn't want to run off. No, God.
Hey, ready go.
Why are you?
Candy, ready now.
One more time.
Alton, come here, dad. Alton, you can't relax 1 minute better. Look at the shoot this scene. Man, for record, man, because you must can't be. Brother, relax my youth. Yeah, but the man, I record, just relax 1 second, dog. You know, after the.
Alright, ready, carry time and keep up. And we have more people to do and she go far. Come.
Cut out that threat.
Yeah, leave your man.
Maybe they have to take before they go, but we want don't see them go take them and take and then go.
Hey, Candy,
Candy, I don't think
Come back, Candy, don't chill. That can't open a youth. Yo, me say, yo, fry, you make a hot meal that. No, me not see me sick over weekend.
Then you see I throw up the for sure.
Because we going to have Christmas cake.
No, so we make it, Candy.
No, some
No, call me name.
I buy them by yo, I tell you say, like you mash up the whole day in a dog. Vomiting, running belly. Me nah nyam back them no them again. Unless I be
Oh, buy.
Yeah, buy.
Market
Like story.
A quick interview with him. Come, tell us, we met in Kingston, right? That is where you met Richard Brown Films, right?
Yeah.
So tell me about that little trip then.
I don't know nothing about Richard Brown Films.
You know how the whole meeting happened at Kingston that me ask about?
Kingston?
Yeah,
then I big out, me know you.
Oi, me not tolerate them kind of behavior there with you. Me know you point that man face. Oi!
And she go and she don't know.
Oi!
Kind of fill the house.
Rasta man.
Me hear you say that, Jenna.
No, but here what going on? Enough people are going to see I do this in my boss and I not think they respect that. You point up in that man face, man. Anyways.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me what I mean. Go.
Well, I was home and I saw a group of persons come to say that they're going to do a photo shoot, like a video shoot. So that is how I get to meet Richard Brown Films and then...
So what experience so far?
Experience, like...
How you like it? Like...
With the photo shooting?
Like everything, the whole experience.
I kind of like it because it's the first and, you know, I enjoy doing it even though it's not something I used to, but I kind of like it. Well, at least I can introduce other persons to it to try it and see what it works out.
Okay. One question. You married?
No, I'm not. Why you ask?
You single?
No.
Okay. No further question. What going on, Rasta?
Me there,
you married?
Rasta married.
You married, Rasta?
Rasta, you married.
Alright, silent mean consent. Silent mean consent. We are going to so
more and not the less.
We are going to so go see what.
My interview now?
Who? Mama?
Let me see my
Ladies is more.
Let's make a seat, man. We are going to so go see where Richie them are going.
Why not untie me?
Alright, you tie up. We never see you say you get tie up.
Oh, me need to untie. Me need to untie so me can come up and this me can get this wig off.
You can't get no untimement.
How are going to so 50 Shades?
Because here I know she unrolling. She unrolling. YouTube, she unrolling.
She unrolling?
Yeah, she unrolling.
Okay.
So keep her tight.
You are not supposed to be unrolling.
Why?
Alright?
Why?
Me not even know. Anyways, how are going on so? 50 Shades business?
I untie me. Me
No,
can't
me
get
does. Anyways, me I go to so. Woman in a handcuff, I don't know why they in a handcuff in there so. Or in a chain. You know, I make that in a chain. See great fire so that's the same way. Oi! Want know what go on? People see them a go along up the road. I try to catch them. Alright, so here so then if you talk about some gunman business. Well, I run out of battery too, you know. Run go up there. Run go up there, people. We are run. Run. Papa, this not fit. This not fit. You know. I know say I could have worked with a boy.
Officer Jacob.
Yeah, we're friend out.
My name Vin Gasoline.
Alton.
Eh?
I want to ask you one personal question. You sure if you ask you?
Go normal.
But I like I get timid nowadays, you know, boss. I was all afraid of question, you know. Anyways, where you see I go on TV there now? I want to shoot.
This is the lockdown part 2.
Lockdown part 2.
The lockdown with the bartender part 2.
So you don't post nothing from when either. You don't see nothing about Paradise Nation.
Well.
Now we're going up this one.
Me need space not so right now.
Okay. You got through a lot. You get counseling?
Me need to see one still.
Oh. I thought to take it too rough. Shaka! Yes, so you have party out blouse and skirt. That's what I hear, I don't know. Tell who I go on. Set the record straight. And them tell me say a party. So how do we do it in the hand?
Come on.
It's a piece of wood, brethren. I want to know. No piece of wood she have in her hand?
No!
I wanna go.
Tick. Nah.
Wanna go?
Right, shoot, come round.
Okay. I feel like following, you know, because I'm not going to bore. I'm not getting no joke.
AJ, what up, sir? Run, you company road, Zane? Wait now. No. You company road. Listen now. You go up there, sir. And you company road, the police them see you and ask you where you are company road and you tell them, say, what you tell them, say?
In there, direct young actor.
What tell them, say? What if you say?
No.
No.
You tell them,
No, I'm not acting. No, no.
Just tell them, say, yeah. You must see you on the road and question. Don't look for me, you know. Go on, way up.
How much more left in that bag, my boss?
Alright. Right there, sir.
I didn't say one pitney and a pitney, you know.
3 and a pitney either. One more and I'm good.
One more? Okay. So, all the ladies... Oh, never mind.
Eh?
Not my business, that.
When you say ready, them have a walk and ready. Remember, if you don't look for me, just walk and mind no business.
Papa, you like you have sclerosis like me?
Huh?
Like you have scoliosis like me?
Come on, that road. Stop.
I wanna wait, man.
Ready. Papa, ready? Papa, I'm ready. Walk, man, walk.
Understand this is the force, what this force run. You see, right now, coming on the street, want to check the bartender right now because we don't have that.
You finally get off and handcuff him, or chain.
Finally untie me so I could actually walk and see what.
She never tell me say I want part of that play a while ago.
Part? Yeah, I was taking part of it.
So what do you do to that scene?
Well, that scene now is a scene where I've been tied up and my fiance gone to buy breakfast.
So him tie up?
No, there was gunman tie me up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the gunman?
You.
Lady, where's the gunman?
You.
Gunman in she hold, she like that.
Where you get that?
Gunman in she hold, she like that.
That Jordan, yeah.
Gunman in your hole.
Eh?
Gunman in your hole. Gunman a hoogie in your hole. Oh. Yeah.
No.
Big up yourself. Subscribe to the boss. Yeah,
That's
please.
friend or cousin, that which one? Are the friend or the cousin?
Or the brother.
Almost the brother.
Look on. Very expensive.
Come back.
Almost Jordan friend or cousin. Oh God.
You have to go buy him one pair, you know, because they cost him man shoes.
Buy Jordan, no pair of Jordan.
You don't spend money on a man like you don't buy him man things.
Yeah, but you must spend for me though.
Jaja. Why most you that spend on a man at once?
At once?
Yeah.
It depends on what he wants.
Nice.
Boss, you know.
Come on, where are you on the road?
Come on, shoot.
Wake up, for.
Come again, man.
Alright, Mr. Interrupt your shoot, my boss. Sorry.
Let's go right now. Yeah.
Today I go? Tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Ready? Yeah, ready.
This is wrong, so I have to go and I have a check. Come on, where are you on the road? Just go here, so where's the family?
Come again.
Daddy.
So I'm gonna catch you in face.
Same thing. Same thing.
The family them on the yard.
Yeah, where are you from?
No, I'm see Rasta man I call them.
So where you shoot?
It's behind the scenes.
Let me put you behind the scene.
Come on. You have me in a focus? You sure? She want to record the people. So why you step back?
Alright, go on, straight home.
Question me. You want to question me?
How old are you?
I'm
So you actually don't know your age? 30?
30.
You not lie, you look more than 30 though. I'll head me gone.
45.
You're 45?
I'll be honest now, 45.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, you sure the camera there for me? You're not a good camera girl. Give me a camera.
But the camera on you?
You're not shakes and look like you're a point though. How old are you?
30.
Oh, I forgot you did say it. Watch him. So you don't have no more questions, miss? Come, press this button so it focuses on me. And make
This
sure
one?
and make sure say it turn green. It's green now?
Yeah.
Alright, good. So how old am I? 30 years old. Actually, I'm not trim up, man. I got trim up.
Well, I need to visit the barber.
Yeah, but I said that in a previous video. Next question. Yes, I'm a virgin too.
No, you're not a virgin. Honestly, not a
I
virgin.
feel attacked.
Nope.
I am a virgin. Anyways, moving
Virgin
on.
still exists?
Yeah, me.
Not you.
Next question.
You live here? Where you from?
I'm on a place named Strawberry. Them not have no strawberry there.
Where you from? One place named Strawberry. Is it in Negril, Westmoreland, wherever? In
What's
Westmoreland.
in Westmoreland too?
Well, whichever.
The place named Strawberry I come from. Yeah.
So where do so far?
Next question, because I do filming and people here like filming, so I'll be
So what
here.
going for the shoes there? What going for your slippers?
I say I'll work out sitting this man country. How I try to? Well,
No, my told them want to do, you know. Them honestly want to do.
okay. So my green same way.
Yeah, green same way.
Some more questions. Where am I from? Strawberry. Or going to the super.
You're married?
No, I haven't been in a relationship from birth.
From birth?
Yeah, single. Alright, so I get back some battery. And this is where it caught us. Yeah, lockdown episode, bartender Jamaican series. So, make we go back out the door and find back people and what got question we. I just get some behind the scenes.
Alright, I'm telling you, we know what talk to an extent. Why man them do normally? Like the zoo. Whenever they get work.
Of course.
I change it.
Yeah, change it.
No, you have to tell it to you.
So here how I go justify my answer. You know what I hear?
Tell me what's your name.
I'm 6 years old.
Your name. Let her hear your name.
Alright, no, nice. Watch out. Right, show it. Go inside the front top. Do. Ready, let's go.
Have a dream until we can up with her. Look at the truth. You see the bad man in the area. I don't know, normal. And then look who goes over the port station. Do you think you can manage them? So, we are checking by it right now.
Come on. Humble yourself, man. Soon get man.
Alright, so after if you want, you want. I'm going to involve in a conversation. You talk about the road, but give me a conversation.
Talk. So we do that. Who you want to do?
I'm going to rum cream.
You want running belly, man. You can rum cream. No, you're talking. You ready?
Come on.
Okay, so
Look again. No, talking. Come on.
Come on.
Nice, my ear. Ready now? I want you to something make sense. I am talking to you about the bad man. You know? You can't say it's true. Because I love my life, you know. I look at my yard there. I just start them. I don't want to for my now. You know what I mean? The first one to get a picnic. And we are working, we are trying to work on a picnic. You know what I mean? Then we go to Roma. So something make sense and impact in the story. Yeah, ready? Let's go. What's the noise now? We are here. Record. I'm talking still now. We're talking now. Ready now, let's go.
Dangerous.
The time now, we talk.
But he might laugh,
No, can you turn up there?
He said,
But you talk now, talk about that two man. Alright, no, that little man. Talk about your little man, we have a yard, we are trying to come and picnic. Ready, let's go.
I true, you know. I true, you are telling her, just get my little boyfriend. I don't want this, let him, you know. Right now, I'm free that them, you know, want them let me man. And then him just start then, so you don't want them let him.
No, you understand what you talk about. But next time to go back to the man, no?
David! Yeah, shoot! Right, let's go. Shoot it! Wait, give me one conversation. I'm not talking about you. What?
Oh, we don't want to kick you.
I thought I punch you and I try to run for you.
If I pick me for you.
Yeah, man, I try to come and pick me now. You just have to go and remember to come and pick me. Come on, man. Punch in, man.
Ready.
First part good enough. Second part this. Ready, let's go.
So, you find a local man, so what else you need?
You know, someone if I want to give my son, or give my child.
You understand that? That's a big careful now. We'll go for the car.
I know Mama can't manage it to blood. Punch. Mama punch it for yo. Yeah, me I work on it, man. I want to make it be like vibe. Make it done. Take it there. Take it back there. If I don't forget, make it take it there. Because you punch the second part. Good. The pump if you punch. Because I'm overshot, you can't talk, you know. You don't talk.
I don't mean to
talk. Yeah, woman is supposed to talk because people listen if you talk.
Ready, Papa.
So you understand what I'm talking about? So we are going to have a drink, and when the time up, we go out with yard, and then you can have a little child where you want to have. And next time you can figure man and people will get a child for us. Come on.
Come back.
Lock the door there. Lock the door there.
Lock the door. Lock the grill on the door. Lock the grill on the door.
Skipper, you're passing the front. Sure.
You want to be roast?
And then the size they got me like.
Yeah. Yes, drunk.
Big yam. Big yam. Big yam.
Lock the door. Lock the door.
Come.
No, you are up in the grill and going there. We're not going to do it.
Ready. Nice. Ready. Wait, come back.
Candy, if you do that senior, you can come, make him come out and talk to him because do all that thing there, that best makes sense. You know what I mean? We're going to go and do this and come out. So make him come and go to the door away.
Officer, drape up.
Candy, you hear me, Candy?
Yeah.
No, jape up, jape post.
Yeah, American.
Because somebody officer jape up. It's post.
Come on. Step back out of the frame, out of the front of the gate. Set conversation again. We're not talking about the... You want to give man one baby? Here?
Go down, man.
Talk.
Front spot.
Don't go. That man that's talk. If you want to go, man. Laugh and talk, man. Go in, what you do? Go in. Walk fast. That's what I can look at. Go on here, go. Don't go. Because somebody tell them they don't shoot it. Don't go. Let them call you. Alright. Candy! You knock the door? No. No, go knock the door. And then when you knock the door for a while, you just say, me man, wait name, just call the name.
Officer J. Post.
But go in there, man. Go to the grill. Go to the grill. You go there, so. Police! Officer exercise there.
Bartender.
Bartender, me man, a regular customer.
A J-Post, you know.
I go in there, lock down here.
You know?
Yeah. I just, after J-Post, go to the game. Ready?
No, right?
Ready. Alright. Let's go.
Bartender, Officer J-Post, man.
Okay, alright, my big friend, now come.
Cut.
Wait,
Come too quick, Charlie. Give some time, man.
Man, forgive me time to lose the chain out there.
No, you have a chain for him, man. Because free chain. But we have to say, we have to give permission to come. So when the car, when you knock one time, you answer. If you knock two times, when you two times, you answer.
Yo, come again.
Ready, let's go.
Oh, really? Wow.
Let's go.
Officer J-Post, you know. Bartender. You know what's a laptop and we come from a special.
Okay, hold on there. Now come.
Hurry up, them not like them corner here, you know. Wow. Wait, you locked down with one in there.
If you laugh, you are drunk, you better bread. Yeah.
Come down, man, with you.
No, you're not drunk yet.
Come get
But you just know, you laugh, not going to see you, man. I tell her that girl, I'm moving there. Yeah, man, that's fine. You man, that's fine.
Come again, knock again.
You man, that's fine. We can't come in.
Officer J-Post, you know, bartender. One. You're the fan lockdown. You don't know something special we come from.
Hold on there, now come.
Tell her. Come on, woman, you see. I tell you. Why, man, they are finding it, locked in and then time up the boom.
No, we can't do that.
Since when?
Because he market before he goes.
Well, market is two different things. Buying charts, they won't ship.
No, I know in a way, you know.
We get the special.
Where you come?
One special.
Wait. Come again, Kenny. I don't know why you just jump in at that aggressive vibe so fast.
Yeah, can't go that, man, if you want. After I went to drop in, I'm telling you. After I went to drop, you can't go that back. Anyway, where come up from? Because the back in there, you must try to get you fire. I'm still chatting tonight, but yeah. But I'm more able to do. Conversation. Kicking up. Let's go. Come, in a character. No, you don't have to touch the door, me push the door. Ready, let's go.
Alright,
they can't wave to her, they wave to Candy Tina, man. They want to run Tina, man. Along with the police and all, you know. So they can't wave to her.
Forward. Yeah, lockdown. If you have lockdown now, man, so man, they are fine, they can't come lockdown. You know where about that, he marking, my size small. Anyway. Yeah, but that's special to come, man. No, that's what. That one's aggressive, man. I tell you. Woo! See, yes, you come get a special when you buy a lockdown.
Alright. Come get you one. Let's say the first part mechanics I want to get.
Don't worry, man.
So Candy, when you have go back, lock the door and say me I come there. You can't be open up to do have to go in there. So you have to do that. So I have coffee, but you drink a rum still, but I'm going to say bar there.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm a tough fuck.
One girl want half flask.
Start back, Popeye.
But you get two bags of serious with him, you know.
No.
But you want to get me that door. You say, well, anyway, where you come from? You know, say I'm trouble, it's a normal routine. Yeah, man, you're my friend.
Police, I'm going to try this.
Yeah.
Stop, follow me.
You know what you know to write in small thing now, what shit?
I'm not right now. I'm not where you come from.
Special.
You know, say your son over there, and you are this is my home. But
you know you must have something there.
I go for one class and come here. Hold on, this one.
Yeah. That's it, come here.
The door locked. Yo, so what you can do, you know? You can talk to she, you know, make it sense and talk to her and say, yo, here what? If you when to permit or anything, and me give them permit, and they rate me, you know, you help out people, you know, come and say, you're civilian, you know, you're police once, or whatever. Civilian twice, police once. Right. So you tell her that.
Yeah, once a police, twice a civilian.
Once a police, twice a civilian. Talk to she, make more sense of a conversation.
Really?
Turn it down.
See, so they learn. I'm making them permit still, you know. So when you get a permit.
Alright, come now, let's see. So you have to live with people, you know.
Really? You see, I say I really good with people. I'm making them permit. So they get them permit, you get your room free of cost, you know.
Candy, why you call me for Candy? So you show.
Go ahead.
That was nice video for
What's with that?
Real? Push. Real?
Ready?
John must start up on the general. In Spitfire.
One cool and knock over here, man. There's nothing better for doing it.
Yeah, man, go on easy, huh?
Just go and drink and go and ease myself. I mass up for Corona.
Officer Jeffers said when he come in and force him come in and drink rum.
Tap chat out the people, I'm sure.
Good day. Most of me always have to do the thing, but don't drink so water, but you have something to do, you know, me watch movie.
I don't understand what you said a while ago,
The girlfriend role.
Where's the boy movie then?
Kind of like it for the sister and the girlfriend role, because never really play them type of style before.
Okay, so you like your role where you play?
Alright.
Alright.
Him can't carry the mackerel and the chicken back on the outer night. I can't have to steak and shoot.
So what you gunman him treat you?
No, them treat me quick because them look nice, them like me.
You look like you have to wait, man.
Just tell you from the tree, do that down, or what for food. Just eat it and go, just snacks, just eat it and go, so.
Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
God no. Belly like it a girl do.
I just belly this.
Belly. Be a belly.
Just belly, I'm not pregnant belly. It's a Jamaican, but I'm not pregnant belly.
You're 9 months.
No, 9 months belly can't look so.
No, I give you 9 months.
You can't give me 9 months of pregnant. Woman can pregnant less than.
No, you're pregnant already, I give you 9 months sleep in the barn.
She's right, look, man.
So I want to
go on now, man. Yeah, you're just like I'm here.
I'm chopping.
Yeah, but you kind of suggested.
Go on.
You know.
What kind of know?
Zigzag.
Depends from this side.
One person missing from a BTS, so I'm not see so far, but him is there. Richie, how you going?
I'm going on the road and soon come back.
Oh.
And I told you, so far back.
But I'm not like the time hot door.
You have to just go on normally, man. You know, when it comes up, you know, you can go river, go on easy.
How we not up to?
So, what I mean, it's so up. Just you're not here.
But them said that show your name Prison Break?
No.
No.
Lockdown bartender.
Bartender part 2.
Lockdown bartender part 2. So good, man. I have some more. So, yeah. I know I need a focus, man. I see that button now? See turn green now?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it goes when you understand the camera. So I hit that for the behind the scenes. I make them to your talk a little bit and then we end the video. So that's all I want to go on at Jamaican City and da 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 da. My chat da 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 da. Later, subscribe, like, go over the whole of the channel, man. Subscribe. Do everything to make an algorithm.
Put it on bunny down.
Say bunny down.
But it's a bunny down.
I say I don't like how we not do nothing. Can use the time and create something. I say about that.
That sound good. That sound good. I'll post this right now.